Well, let's check out this example. Now, what will be added to s plus 6s to make the expression a perfect square? You have s squared plus 6s. Now, we want to make this expression a perfect square. That means we need a constant value. And from what we did here, if you want to make an expression a perfect square, you need to equate it to a perfect square expression like s squared plus a squared. S plus a, everything raised to power 2. Now, when we expand this expression, so you have s squared plus 6s plus k to be s squared. What we did here plus 2as plus a squared. And from here also, your s squared. Now, we want to compare both sides, that is the left hand side and the right hand side. Now, your s squared is equal to s squared. They will cancel out. So you have 6s to be equal to 2as. And from here, s cancels s. So you have 6 to be equal to 2a. And your a will be equal to 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. That means a is equal to 3. And for the constant value which you are looking for, so you have k to be what? K will be equal to a squared. So k, and from here, we have already got our a to be equal to 3. That means k will be equal to 3 squared. And k will be equal to 9. So that means what must be added to this expression here, s squared plus 6s, to make it a perfect square, is 9. So you have s squared plus 6s plus 9 will be the complete expression. And if you want to check it out, if you want to check if this expression is correct, you come back here. You have s squared, s plus a plus square. Now our a is what? A is equal to 3. So it will be s plus 3 plus square. And when you expand this expression, you will find out that you get s squared plus 6s plus 9